over the last few days, the temperature's gone up quite a bit. More so in this greenhouse. And we've had a bit of a problem with things like lettuce especially, because it dries out really quick. It wilts. And if you don't catch it in time, your plants will start dying. So just in case I can't actually be here all day and the sun's out again, I've got a different solution to that problem. It's in a big wooden container that's on legs, so you can't actually stand it in any water like you can the other containers that we use. But there is something else that I can use, and that's these watering globes. A really easy, cheap way of watering your hanging baskets and your planters. And these will last about 2 days. So you can pop them in, filled with water, and they'll gradually trickle feed the water to that compost as it dries out. And you can get these from Poundland if they're still selling at this time of year. But it's always handy to have a few of these for things like that, rather than keep lifting that box in and out of the greenhouse. We want to keep it watered and we want it to grow. So a combination of watering and a consistent temperature helps, but not to have to keep lugging it outside. So we need to find solutions to make us life a little bit easier, and I think this will do it. So you can see in this container there's a lot of leaf lettuce. Lots and lots are individual little plants, plus 3 quite big lettuces at the back as well. So all that needs constant moisture. And you've no sooner watered it in a greenhouse than it's dried out again. So that's why we're going to use these watering globes to solve that problem. So all we need to do is just fill them with water. And then we can put one at each end, maybe one in centre. And we'll just push it in to that height. Then I'll put one at the other side as well. Then we'll have another one at the front, trying to cover all areas. We just want to make sure there's no plants in the way. It needs to go straight into the compost, like that. And we're set up. And obviously, because they're clear, you can see the water levels going down on these. The occasional bubble will go up as a little bit of water has been taken by that compost. So now we can just pop it back on bench, knowing that that's sorted out for the next few days. And then we can move on to any other jobs that might need doing today. Those red cabbage that we potted on from tiny little seedlings only about a week ago are really starting to put some growth on now. Not big enough yet to go outside, but at least they're getting there. Every now and again though, I need to put those in shade. Brassicas don't like being too hot. It can cause 2 different problems. They can start to stretch because they're too hot, or they'll very quickly start to wilt. So every now and again through the day, I just pop them in shade for an hour or so. And at least when it comes to things like this, you can just pop them in your bottom watering trays that we keep on bench. And the really long ones. So we can get lots of plants in that one tray all at the same time, because you're always better off bottom watering your plants. And they're about 4 foot long, so everything can just get dropped in. We fill this with water, make sure that that tray is level on that bench, and we can do multiple plants all at the same time. And we can even stand as pots in there too. And these containers, because we made holes in the lowest part of this planter, and any other trays that we've got will fit in there perfect. The only problem we had was that one. But today that's been sorted out, and we'll just keep his eye on those watering globes, and as soon as they get too low we'll just pop them out, refill them, pop them back in, and pretty soon we'll be taking harvests from there for his nice fresh homegrown salad leaves. If it's your first time on this channel and you'd like to see more videos like this in future, then please just hit that subscribe button, press that notifications bell. We'll see you at next update. Enjoy your weekend, and thank you very much for watching.